going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to get Delta Executor for iOS and Android. So this is a crazy Roblox mod menu, so let me just show you guys how it works. So I'm going to go ahead and join a game just so you guys can see. But yeah, this is super cool. So I'm going to have to watch an ad and read an article in order to use this, but I'm just going to go ahead and do that right here, as you can see. Alright, so I'm just playing through it right here. But yeah, this is super crazy. So I'm just going to run this right here. Alright, and then I have to go and click on this. Okay. Alright, so I did that. Now I just have to read an article. So let me just do this right here, as you can see. Alright, so I'm just reading this. Okay. So yeah, it looks like we're done, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and join a game just to show you guys that the Delta Executor actually works. And then I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. So let's just give it a second for this to load, just so you guys can see. But yeah, it is super cool, so let's just give it a second here to load up so you guys can see how it works. Alright, so yeah, it's super crazy. So as you can see, we got the whole mod menu right there. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this. It's crazy, guys. So as you can see, it fully works. So let's get into the video, and I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. So there's no computer needed for this method. So let's get into the guide, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So the website we're going to go to is called scriptsking.com. So let me just go ahead and type that in right here. So this is where you can actually go ahead and download it, which is really cool. So I'm just going to type that in. Okay, so once you're on the site, guys, what you need to do is just go ahead and press the button that says like direct download or whatever. Delta Executor, and you can read about it too. And it's going to ask you for your Roblox user ID. So to get that, you just want to get the URL, paste it, and then get the part that has the user ID and copy that. So let me just go ahead and do that right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this. Okay. And then I'm going to go back to the website, and I'm going to go ahead and put it in there. So let me just do that right here. Alright, so I'm just going to paste it in, and then just press continue, and then there's going to be one more step, and this is the verification. So before you can actually get this onto your device, you do have to download 2 apps and complete the instructions, but this is 100% for free, and it's from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here. As you can see, it shouldn't take that long, so I'm just going to give it a second to load up. Alright, so just going to let it do its thing here, as you can see. Alright, so let's just give it a second to load. Should be all good to go. So I'm just going to go ahead and press verify, and it's going to take me to that list of apps. And all I have to do is download 2 of these. So you don't have to do the same ones as me, but you just want to make sure you download 2 of the apps. So for me, I'm going to do Lumo VPN. So it's going to take me to the App Store. I'm going to go ahead and download it. So let's just give it a second to redirect me. So while this is downloading, I'm going to go back on the list of apps and download another app. So you want to make sure you download at least 2 of the apps just to make sure the process works. So for the second one, I'm going to do the Travel Town. So it's going to take me to the App Store. I'm going to go ahead and download it. So let's just give it a second. So now I'm going to go to the home screen, wait for these to download. They're pretty small, so I'm not really expecting a wait time. So the VPN's done, so I'm going to run it, just doing some basic interactions. So let me just go ahead and do that right here, as you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just playing around with it. So yeah, it's pretty simple, guys. Nothing too crazy. So let me just go ahead and do that right here, as you can see. Alright, so I'm just playing through it. So yeah, it's pretty simple. So honestly, now I'm going to do the other one, Travel Town. This one's a game, so it's the same thing, guys. Just got to run it, do some basic interactions. So let me just go ahead and do that right here, as you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just playing through it. So yeah, it's pretty easy. So I'm just going to do this right here, as you can see. Alright, so yeah, nothing too hard. So let me just do that, as you guys can see. Alright, so it's super easy. So I'm just going to do this right here. Alright, just playing around with it. But yeah, it is pretty simple, guys. So you should have no problems whatsoever. So I'm just going to run this for a little bit more here. As you can see, just playing around with it. So yeah, let me just go ahead and do this right here. Alright, some of you might even play these games every day, which would make this a whole lot easier. So I'm just going to do this for a little bit more. So anyway guys, now we are done. So the Delta Executor should download onto your device, so be sure to try us out. Super crazy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, but yeah, this actually works guys. It's super cool. So I'll see you guys later, but yeah, this is super awesome. As you can see, we got the fully working Delta Executor on our device, so you can actually go ahead and use it. So that is really cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel because this is fully working guys, and it is really cool. So look at that guys, it actually works. So definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. This is super crazy and there's no problems whatsoever. So hope you guys enjoyed it. I've had no issues with this at all, so I'll see you later and peace out.